Okay, so let's say you drilled a hole in a piece of wood and it's crooked. How do you fix it? Well, you've got a couple of options. All right, so in my case, I've got an 1 1/8 hole that's approximately 2 inches long through this piece of material. And unfortunately, I had an incident over at my drill press and the table moved and it came out and it's off over this 2 inch span. It's off 1, maybe 2 degrees. And I need it to be dead perfect. So what I'm doing to fix this is I've created a plug that's a little bit longer than the depth of my hole, just slightly, because I've got recess areas here that I can use as a guide to find center again. And I'm simply going to apply a good coat of glue and glue this in and then go back in and after everything's set up properly and drill it straight. Okay, for me this is an easy fix. Now let's say you're off by more than that. Well, you may have to resort to option 2, which is drilling a larger hole, larger diameter hole than what you originally drilled, so that both ends of that original hole are eliminated, and now you have a nice parallel or a nice straight hole where you want it. Whatever that diameter, oversized diameter that you drilled, you then make a plug for, glue it in, let it cure, completely cure, and then find your center and re-drill it. It's a pretty simple process. So that's 2 methods. Right on. Hope that helps. We'll see you down the road.